ever heard of a slaughter. I oughta start dipping, sipping on that ST gets me to tripping. I don't slips, I bangs with that mad ass dog pound gang. It's a DPG thing. Corrupt from the SC. You wanna test?
When you gonna put me up on one of your videos or something? You know I can still get out. Check this out.
Welcome back to another episode of Rose and Gold. I'm your host, International King, and Dr. Ross is in the house.
Hello everyone, and today we are in Huntington Beach in California. As you can see, they have the bonfires behind us, making some food and grilling up, so let's get straight into these hot topics.
We're going to start off with J-Lo and the Ben Affleck.
Exactly.
Ben Affleck, we already know that J-Lo is trying to get with you to be in the new Flash film, the upcoming film, The Flash 2022 actually.
Exactly, because recently we got some info that Ben Affleck and J-Lo, there was a lot of photos getting released of them coming off of a private jet together and inside the car together. So I'm going to agree with IK and say that she's just going there for the cheddar.
Exactly. She's probably going to ask to put her kids into the film. But J-Lo, stop right there, hold that thought, and put IK and Dr. Ross in the film.
That's right. Let's get into our next hot topic with Sandra Oh on whether she'd return to Grey's Anatomy or not, and she said no, she'd never return to Grey's Anatomy.
Sandra Oh has made all the cheddar she needs for now. The only reason she'd come back is just to make a little more extra, just cut off the side. But Sandra Oh, she's done, she's set, Dr. Ross.
Exactly, so there's no need for her to come back to the Grey's Anatomy set if she's already, established herself on there. But like IK said in the last hot topic, IK and I are ready to start working on the Grey's Anatomy films, so...
Exactly. If you can't have Sandra Oh, Dr. Ross is available. Her name is Doctor after all.
Exactly.
Let's get into our final hot topic for today with Wendy Williams and her new wax statue.
Oh yes, Wendy Williams just revealed her wax figure on her show from Madame Bouzet's boutique, and it looked really realistic, IK. It really did. Really realistic.
The one way I can say it looked really realistic is in the ratchetness.
Exactly. And Wendy decided to go next to it and say, "How you doing?" Started kissing it.
You're having an out-of-body experience, Miss Williams. But you need
Mr. Williams.
Exactly. You need to stop with over there. Put the hot sauce down.
Exactly.
And we know that was our final hot topic, but we're going to do one last one with Simon Cowell.
Exactly.
So, if you didn't know, Simon Cowell a year ago was on a motorbike and actually broke his spine.
Very sad.
After going to correction, he almost broke his spine.
Exactly, but it's very sad to hear. But it seems like he's still alive and he's still out there because his doctor recently told him on TMZ not to go out, not to go on any speedboats, and the next day he went on a speedboat.
Mrs. Lockhart?
Chris, come down here. I need to talk to you.
We admire your bravery, Mr. Cowell. Put us on America's Got Talent as the newest and latest and greatest
Judges.
Exactly.
That's right. Let's get into our last and final hot topic with Tom Cruise defends himself on his Mission Impossible rant on set. So a lot of people were giving mixed reviews. IK and I, we personally were defending Tom Cruise because, Tom Cruise is probably stressed out that Jamie Foxx took blood.
He's definitely stressed out that he got dogged out by Jamie Foxx, and that Jamie Foxx dogged out his wife.
And it seems like, probably from his perspective, is that Tom Cruise has been working so hard, and look what it got him. He's kicked in the stomach and thrown in the dirt. So yes, I'm gonna agree with Tom Cruise and say that his rant for defending himself on his set, he didn't have to defend himself. I think people already understood that sometimes you can get a little tired of things and just blow up.
And we also heard that you're giving all of your Golden Globe awards, all 3 of them, back to the Golden Globes
to
help with the organization.
To join the protest for
the movement.
But we'll see how that goes out with Tom Cruise, and we'll keep you guys informed on the next latest Rose and Gold.
The Twin Flames. Megan Fox, is this you and Long Neck? 1 and 2. But
Twin
they're not
Flames.
blue. We're out.